yeah, if you've got any questions, again, from the get-go, I'm going to let you know my thoughts on the market, some trades that I've taken this week. We can maybe go over a couple of reports that I've used to get them. But you guys know that I'm doing pre-market preps here in the Edgeful Discord, as well as on my socials, and then daily recaps I've been doing every single week as well. So I hope you guys have had a good week your side. Let me know in the chat, how's your guys' week been? Anything that you guys are working on at the moment? Yeah, let me know. We're going to get into a couple of stuff pre-market, but we did have an absolute ripper of a day yesterday on the DAX. I missed these longs, so pretty annoyed about that, and I did speak about that in my daily report card. But I mean, we literally from low to high yesterday, we were up over 400 points, back at all-time highs. And this morning actually managed to catch some shorts here on some of my instant fund accounts to the downside. I think I got about $200. So this is the futures account, but on the CFDs, let's go. Yeah, I've still locked myself out, but let's over there. So on these top one CFD accounts, as well as the futures, you can go check them out. This is the firm I'm focusing on, top one and Hajj at the moment, just the instant accounts at the moment. You can go check them out. I'll put the link over here for you guys as always. But yeah, I put this is a fresh account that I bought yesterday because I could actually have 300K in allocation on the CFD side of things, and I only had 250. So I was like, let me just get it. So put $200 across this account, and then I think I traded a few others here. I got 4, so I got 200Ks and 250Ks. Put $100 on this account of here this morning, and then on this account. Did I trade this account today yet? No, I have not traded this account today. But then this account, I think is the closest one to a payout. I'm up $2,000 on this. Yeah, I got a payout withdrawal in the next 2 days, and I put 162 on this account here today. Just shorting the DAX. I need to get this account to 20% consistency, but that's where I'm at the moment. And then my futures account over here, I'm up $600 on this one. Over here. So pretty neat, just chugging along. If you just have a look at the weekly summary, I'm going to look to add more futures accounts, but I'm max allocation now with top one CFDs instant accounts there. And then I'll look to add some of the futures accounts as well. And then when Hydro release their instant account at the end of the month, I'll do that too. So just chugging along, 4 green days in a row, nothing too hectic, but I'm trying to get this to 3K to take a pout that side. So yeah, going along quite nicely. I don't know how your guys' week has been, but that's where I'm sitting at the moment. So again, let's speak about my shorts here below the London session VWAP, which is this blue one, and then the opening range low. See how, yes, some guys were looking for some longs, but I did not like it. Look how we didn't take out the opening range high. A lot of you guys that have been trading with Edgeful know that I love to use the opening range with the VWAP. And you guys know that these algos, they also, a lot of them are trading the algos on NQ mainly and ES. But yeah, we didn't actually trigger any longs for me because we didn't take out the highs. And now, obviously, to the downside, we take out the lows. We're trading lower price actions, making bearish momentum to the downside below VWAP. I'm gonna look for shorts. I'm just playing my setup. Whether I'm right or wrong doesn't really matter. Over the long term, I know I'm gonna make money. And that's where I was at this morning. So go look at that opening range breakout report. I'll bring it up here on stream for us on the DAX. So we'll have to go to CFDs because DAX aren't using the futures data with Edgeful. But you can see over here in the last 3 months, we can see that by levels, when we do break out for the lows, to go negative 0.5 R of that orb has a 73% chance. So what that means is the orb this is exactly how they play the orb with the NQ and ES. The opening range today, 15-minute opening range was 44 points. So 22 points to the lows. If we break the low side, we have a 74% chance to go 22 points. And that's where it goes. Look at that. Now a little bit more. So yeah, that was my shorts on the DAX this morning. Yesterday, I did do my daily report review here in the live chat as well. So make sure at the end of every single day, come with your questions. I'm going to go over where my accounts are sitting at, how my trading day was. Again, like just sharing, where I can improve, where I'm looking to improve my own trading, because that's what real, trading is just looking to get it better every single day. We're not going to be perfect all the time. And I think sometimes when you go online and you see, you've maybe had a shit day and you see everyone winning and no one ever talks about the losses. I talk about my wins, losses, everything like that. So I appreciate you guys being on. If you've got any questions, morning ho, if you have any questions, let me know. Brandon, what's up? Jack. So that was my trade this morning on the DAX. let's switch over to US markets. We are again moving higher now too. Yes, it was actually pretty crazy. We moved up pre-market and into the open, and then right back down, and then back off that overnight VWAP, and we kind of grounded higher. I got some longs on ES to end off yesterday, so going to be interesting to see what we do get today. But you can't bet against this rising momentum at the moment. It's going to be interesting to see if we take out those previous days' highs. We're still trading as an inside day, whereas yesterday into the open, we had already been trading as an outside day, breaking the previous days' highs and lows. If you look at the Mag 7 index at the moment, obviously the Mag 7 stocks, we're trading pretty flat here overnight and into the pre-market, so that will be an interesting one. But for now, again, I think in terms of what I'm looking for in Edgeful is that opening candle continuation report with opening range. That's what I'm going to be looking at. That's what I always, what some of my two favorite reports to look at. And that's where I'm at. So if you want to come check, how the guys are trading the algos and everything like that, come join in the Edgeful Discord. It's on the Edgeful website on the right-hand side of here. You can get the free access to the Discord as well. And if you want a 7-day free trial, that is in the link in my bio too, right? I will put it here again on stream on the link here. Okay, come down here to Edgeful, and you can get a 7-day free trial there. A lot of guys don't know that unless they join stream. And then again, I did say I'm trading with Top One and then Hydra. There, the link in my bio as well. So I'll put that there for you guys. But yeah, I think in terms of, I prefer doing a daily recap. So make sure to join that. Always be around, market closure, maybe between 2 and, 1:30 and 4 p.m. Market hours. I don't like to trade too late into the close. I prefer to be in and out and done by then. If I am normally trading into the close, it's normally not sometimes my best setup. So join always then for the daily recaps and everything like that. Speak about what I'm doing well, where I'm improving. See how you guys are going along as well. So yeah, let's have a solid trading day. I'm probably going to wait for that opening range to set. I've already locked myself out of Project X. I always do that when I wake up. And then, let's have a good trading day, guys. I hope you've had a good week. And but as I said, if we don't take our previous day's highs on like ES and NASDAQ, I wouldn't be surprised to see that be quite a strong level of resistance right now. But you'll just wait and see what the opening range tells us, So yeah, have a good one. We'll see you on for the rest of the day. I'll be in the chat here, and let me know if you need anything.